All right. Good evening, everyone. Give me just few minutes, and then you guys can go back to your projects. Is everybody still doing okay, or am I expecting any surprises? Everybody good? All right. We'll repeat the activity from Thursday. Now I'll ask each group like a quick update. But before I do that, remember Thursday would be your presentations. Okay, 10 minutes. I have uploaded document on GitLab under week 9. Kind of describes and gives you some hints if you want, if you're looking at how your presentation should be like, what content you can put in your presentations. There are some good points over here. They kind of give you like good starting point, right? For example, some of the points over here you can start your presentation is with a description, motivation, like why did you choose that project, results, like what was the result of this project. Okay, team efforts, you can divide the responsibilities and kind of showcase what each member did. The same with the individual responsibilities and challenges, like you were working, what were some of the challenges that you faced during this project. All right. If you had more time, what would be some of the more improvements that you can bring to your project. Okay, so these are a few points. If you want to take a hint from there, from this PDF, you are most welcome to. I have uploaded this. Kind of gives you a good summary that you can add in your presentations. Okay, again, I'm not really particular. I'm not saying it has to be a PowerPoint. It does not have to be a PowerPoint. This is your team effort. Please come prepared with your team and whatever you want to do. Okay, the only thing I want, the demo is a must. I do want to see your project running and not running from localhost, hopefully. Okay. I should be able to access, anybody in the class should be able to access it. Okay. And for some reason, if your group has authentication, please create a test ID and a test password that you can share with the group. Okay. You might be able to log in with your personal IDs or whatever, right? But nobody else would be able to do it unless you're willing to share that ID. Okay. If not, then please do create a test ID and a test password, and then give those user ID and password on Slack before the demo or during the demo so that anybody else can access your website also if you are using authentication. If not, then shouldn't be an issue. Okay. Again, these are the description. This PDF I have uploaded to your GitLab week 9 folder. Okay. You don't have to worry about homework just yet. We'll talk that about on Thursday. You just have to make sure that your projects are submitted. That's about it. But in the supplemental folder, I have uploaded this PDF. You guys can take a look at it. I would highly recommend spending today, right now, after this is over, at least like 30 minutes to start with the presentations. Again, a lot of people, a lot of groups kind of leave it towards the end. Remember all your skills, everything that you have been working hard, you have to present it, right? If you're not able to present it well, I mean, nobody is going to understand what you actually did. Okay, so I would highly recommend at least spend 30 minutes coming up with a PowerPoint or a demo or a plan for 10 minutes. Okay, and then it also includes question answers. Remember, it's a big class, eight projects. So even with at most 10 minutes, that's like 80 minutes right there, right? Usually it takes a little bit longer. But we'll try to be respectful for that time so that everybody gets a full chunk of their time. Okay. So any questions for Thursday? Anything that is not clear before we move on to a little bit of status updates? Everybody clear on Thursday? Dress code is good. Yes.
Are we starting more lecture after?
No, there's no lecture on Thursday. No. So what I said, what is it? Oh no, so dress code. I was saying that again, there's no like a dress code for the presentation, but of course, imagine if you're trying to sell the product, you know, business casual. Again, people come in shorts or regular clothes. That's also fine. People dress up completely business formal. That's also fine. I'm going to be dressed up business casual just to encourage people, or somebody is like, well, I don't want to look different, but you will at least know that there's one person wearing business casual. So it's going to be over here. Again, as I was saying, Brent, our SSM, he might be there. There's a possibility somebody from U of A is going to be there, but I'm not 100% sure. Depends on their time. Um, so that's why I was saying that people do ask about the dress code. That's what again talk about in your group, decide on something, or if you individually want to come as business casual or tech casual. It's up to you guys. Okay. Any other questions? Good. All right. Let's do a quick update. I wanna make sure that there's no surprises for me. Let's see. Team Erin. You're on a roll. Okay. This is what I'm hoping. Okay. Everything's said. Are you guys using database? I can't remember. APIs figured out. Google Maps, whatever that was. Okay. Okay. What is left in
We're just
one
kind of
day?
like finishing up some like minor things, just making sure that the Google Map pins pull like the correct data.
Okay.
And just some like CSS stuff.
Okay. Is validation there as well? Like if it's, for example, if the box is expecting a number, if I enter a letter, or if I cannot enter a letter, is that kind of, you guys looked into the validations? But you what?
I have a plan.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just want to make sure that it doesn't like blow up your website. I'm going to not try to do it, but somebody will. We have to be sure. Okay. Excellent. How's Greyjoy? How's the Greyjoys?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, we're pretty close to being done.
Okay.
A couple CSS things.
Okay, you guys were using authentication. Did that work out, or?
Yeah.
Oh, that worked out? Okay. So you have to log in to your website to actually see it?
Yep.
So make sure to create a test ID and that you can pass it on unless you're willing to share your personal one.
I
So
thought everybody was just gonna make their own.
make their own. No, that's what I'm saying. It's
Force everybody to log in.
force everybody to log in. Yeah. So it's better to create a test ID that you can pass it on. Maybe create like 2 or 3 that it kind of takes the headache from signing up. Okay. All right. Thank you. Let's see. How's Lannister? You're good. I saw your the weather part. What's remaining? And
That much. Just getting a few things to work together and load it.
okay, are you guys using Firebase? I know you guys were planning to. Did you guys end up using? You still have to integrate that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we got to let it work.
Okay.
We got the format down. So it's almost done.
Okay. So the Firebase integration kind of is a little bit tough, but hopefully you guys have figured it out. Okay.
Well, I still gotta get these to Firebase.
Okay. Okay.
We're trying to get
Okay. Well, if it's taking time, please make sure to ask for help because Firebase integration is a little bit tough. Okay. Awesome. Team Marteau. You're so good. Oh, I was hearing some merge conflicts and things from that side.
Yeah.
You guys are good.
The main roadblock was getting
GitHub. Okay.
getting the work done to not overwrite.
Okay.
We're figuring it out.
Okay. Are you guys using Firebase?
Wait. Oh no.
Okay. There was an API event full or something. You guys figured it out.
And Google Maps knows where how we're gonna get things communicate together so that it's pulling the locations to the map.
Okay. 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 All right. Sounds good. See, how's Stark?
Doing pretty good. We have a couple extra styling things that we need to do, so like styling buttons. We're using Bootstrap, so we just want to style those buttons. We have one more API call that we're trying to figure out with some different APIs that we put on the same page. It's causing a conflict.
Yeah.
And then we are working on our embedding a YouTube like song or video.
Okay.
So, but we're on track.
Okay. So you guys are not using Firebase, right?
We will if we get to. I think we are being pretty ambitious with all our API calls, but
Okay.
I think we will still be able to at least put the data into Firebase.
Okay. Is that already set up or still needs to be?
We have a Firebase set up.
Okay.
We just haven't done anything with it yet.
Okay. Again, Firebase is a little bit tricky, and you have like 1 day or maybe like 1.5, 2 days. So just be careful. If it's not a priority, of course, but the other things are.
We weren't really thinking about pulling anything from it, like putting it into there and then pulling from it. We're just thinking about storage.
Okay. Okay. Not pulling anything. Yeah. Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right. How's Targaryen?
Yeah, I think we're doing pretty good. We just have just a few things, mostly appearance-wise, and also I'm gonna try to do like a sorting algorithm for dates so that they will pop up in the correct order. But other than that, I think we're.
Wait, you're going to write the sorting algorithm or use it? You're going to write the algorithm? Oh.
Use one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Also, you're going to write the sorting algorithm.
Not
Okay.
that ambitious.
Okay. Okay. Are you guys using database?
Not using database.
Okay.
We are using extra API.
Okay. So the APIs are good and they are talking to each other fine?
Yeah.
Okay. From the UI perspective, is there any validation or still?
We implemented an autofill feature for the
Oh.
text box.
Okay.
So
So like
we're kind of
auto.
hoping that that'll
Okay.
overcome like different types of user inputs.
Okay.
But maybe we could look into that.
Okay.
If we have extra time.
Okay. Yeah. So HTML has kind of some other patterns. They've kind of made it easy for, especially the basic validations one. You don't have to actually implement a lot of stuff. So take a look at it. Some of the attributes HTML5 has built in. If you just Google, I don't remember the ones, but there are some basic validation that you can have.
Would I just type in like user input validation HTML?
Yeah. So like a number, they will make sure it's only a number field instead of like you can enter strings or something. Okay. All right. Excellent. Let's see. How's Tully?
We're doing pretty good.
Okay. You guys got figured out your 2 APIs.
Yeah.
Okay. Firebase? No Firebase? Yes, you guys were looking into Firebase.
Yeah, we're still using Firebase.
Is it connected? Working?
I mean, theoretically, it works.
Like that.
Yeah, so just finishing up that stuff, we have a couple extra things that we may add. Fine,
Okay.
we're man down, so
Okay. Yeah.
we're on the right track.
Okay. Well, yeah. Let us know if you need help. I know you guys are 1 student less, so okay. All right. Last but not the least, how's Tyro? Oh, yeah. All right. What's going on? It's all right. Man, everybody's saying everybody's good. Your guys are
I mean, we're just struggling with the easy stuff.
struggling with the easy stuff. Okay, what are you struggling with? Okay.
I mean, we got the APIs and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, the TDAs have failed as well.
Oh, okay. Wow. So the APIs are good. Are you guys using Firebase?
I don't want to give you a
No. Are you trying to?
I mean, like, I would like that, but there's a couple
Okay.
of things I would like to do before that. Like, there's sometimes API data comes back with stuff I don't like. Like, it gives, like, pricing, like, a third of the time will come back as, like, -$1 for, like, the price of a flight.
Oh.
Which that's all on their end, but I don't want that popping up. That's
Yeah.
stupid.
Yeah.
And, like, sometimes there's, like, not an image. So when there is an image, it's this big. When there's not an image, it's, like, this big.
Oh, really?
I want to like fix that kind of stuff before
Okay.
we get to
Okay. Awesome. Okay.
have I got enough time?
Well, if you haven't started on Firebase, probably now is not the good time.
I don't know. It's like me,
Oh, never say no. I like that. All right. I hope it is deployed and running. All right, I like that. That's a, all right. Firebase then.
Probably there.
All right. Well, that's all from my end. Please, again, as I said, maybe spend 30 minutes on your presentation before you start working on it, but totally up to you guys. I hope you guys, manage it according to your team. Okay. That's all from my end, and we'll be here. Please let us know if you need help, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.